On his hands this morning, he is tracking what could be our biggest snowstorm since, what, 2016?
Yeah, I did a little bit of research, Jan. The last time we had 8 inches of snowfall in a 24-hour period in the city of Philadelphia, which is something that could happen tomorrow. 1,833 days, actually 1,834 days ago, all the way back in January of 2016. So tomorrow could be really the first time in a long time that we have significant snowfall fall in the city and across the majority of the entire region.
Snowing again, but actually it's more of pebble ice. Maliliit siya na pebble ice. Like see that one? And another one from here in the jacket. So yeah. So it started again, but this time it's not really